If you are currently using an old PARAT Soft Pack for your PARAT escape hood, you have the possibility to upgrade it to the new Soft Pack packaging. The following video will show you how to perform the upgrade. You need your current PARAT Soft Pack with a PARAT escape hood, a new Soft Pack packaging either in size 92 for fire escape or size 107 for industrial escape or fire and industrial escape, a new type label, 2 filter plug straps, and 1 sealing tag. An optional luminescent type label can be added. Please note, if you are doing the upgrade with a filter exchange, the filter exchange set already includes the plug straps and sealing tag. Start by breaking the sealing tag and slowly and carefully opening the front flap. Make sure not to remove the filter plug. Cut the front filter plug strap. Then cut the rear filter plug strap. Ensure that the filter plug is not removed in any way and that the hood is not cut. Remove the hood from the packaging. Then remove the remaining parts of the plug straps from the hood. Insert one of the new filter plug straps in the front filter plug. Then insert the second new filter plug strap in the rear filter plug. Make sure the filter plug strap is assembled into the end position as shown. The filter plug itself must not be removed. Take out your new soft pack and open it completely. Insert the rear filter plug strap into the back of the soft pack. Ensure that the filter plug strap is assembled to its end position. Then insert the hood into the packaging. Insert the front filter plug strap into the front side of the soft pack. Again, ensure that the filter plug strap is assembled to its end position. Close the zipper, ensuring no hindrance is in the zip. Then attach the security tag. Make sure it is inserted through all 4 loops: zip loop left, soft pack, zip loop right, and soft pack opening flap. Tighten the security tag by pulling it all the way through. Close the flap and ensure that the hook and loop fasteners are closed together. Open the protective flap to insert the corresponding type label. Depending on your application, you have the option to use a luminescent type label for a glow-in-the-dark effect. In this case, insert it over the standard type label. Close the protective flap and ensure that the hook and loop fastener is closed. Now you are ready to use your new PARAT Soft Pack.